Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Msvcp110.dll missing error on Windows. First, close the program or game that is showing the error. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2012. Open the official Microsoft website from the results. On the download page, you will see two versions called x86 and x64. Download both versions, even if your system is 64-bit, because some programs still need the 32-bit files. After the downloads are complete, install each file. If it shows the repair button, click Repair. Restart your computer. In most cases, this alone fixes the error. If the error still appears, you can try copying the DLL file manually. Download a safe copy of the Msvcp110.dll file from a trusted source. After downloading, extract the file if it is in a zip folder. Copy the DLL file and paste it into the folder where the program or game with the error is installed. Once done, open the program again and check if the error is gone. This should fix the issue and allow the program to run normally. Thanks for watching.